In China, Tencent posted its strongest growth in 7 years. The country's largest social network operator posted a 61% rise in quarterly revenue. Tencent is riding the success of video games and an expanding internet ad business. The earnings come after the Shenzhen-based company bought a 12% stake in Snap. To break it all down, we are joined by Bloomberg's Peter Elstrom in New York. So, Peter, what's driving the growth?
Well, yeah, Tencent had really a surprising quarter on a couple of fronts. You mentioned the revenue growth. It is the fastest revenue growth since 2010. Also on profits, they blew past the estimates on profits by about 14% on a GAAP basis, which is substantially greater. This is a company that it seems like analysts are having a hard time understanding exactly what's going on. A lot of this is being driven by their instant messaging services. They have WeChat, which is now up to almost 1 billion users in the country. So that allows them not just to advertise on that platform, but also to promote different products, including the games business, which has proven very strong for them. They've got a whole catalog of games led by Honor of Kings recently, and that's allowed them to cash in on these services.
Taking a look in the Bloomberg, the chart G #BTV1635, we see the revenue growth of Tencent compared to the world's biggest companies. Tencent is that white line, Alibaba is the purple, Facebook the yellow, Alphabet the blue/green. Do you see any signs of weakness, Peter?
Well, one of the challenges for the company is that it's very much a Chinese-focused company at this point. They've talked about wanting to reach out beyond China and expand international like Alibaba has. They probably have struggled a bit more. They're not as well known, I'd say, outside of China as Alibaba is. You mentioned the Snap stake. They've also taken a stake in Tesla. So they want to be able to expand. They want to expand not just the instant messaging services, but some of these games that have been quite popular. And they're working on that. But at this point, it's a pretty China-focused business. Now, so far, that's been great. It's been helped them tremendously. But they do want to move to expand internationally in the future.